what?
And I don't care about the presents. Right?
Are you ready? I want to taste this.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, let's get rid of this guy.
Oh my god.
Cheers.
Be very gentle so the... Okay, there we go. You get the initial of the chocolate milk, and then you get that vanilla vodka, and that Godiva liqueur, and then it finishes with the tea.
With the tea.
Yeah.
Which is like a nice floral note at the end, actually. Like a malty floral taste. Hey guys, I'm Bianca.
And I'm Siobhán.
And this is Behind the Bar with Chado.
And today, we're making a Christmas holiday-inspired cocktail.
Whee!
Do you want to know the name?
Okay, yeah, because I couldn't come up with anything.
Santa's Milk and Cookies.
Dirty.
I mean, maybe it was just called Santa's Milk, but, you know.
Ew, dirty.
You took something so childish and just made it not.
I'm sorry, I missed my youth for a second, but I'm back now.
It's okay. Okay, so... But first, Bianca, I brought you a gift. 2 bottles.
2 bottles
And
of
Santa's
Chado.
sleigh.
Oh, that's cute. It like kind of came like,
It fits. You could, yeah, take it right over to your side.
yay. So I'm assuming there's vodka in this.
Yeah, but not that vodka.
Oh, you just got me a gift?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, I also, and this one too.
That's cute.
Come up and show the camera.
I'll bring it.
Go ahead.
Wait, hold on, it wasn't focused on you. It's so close, Bianca.
So, for our Santa's Milk and Cookies, it's a pretty simple cocktail, but it is super yummy. So, we are using a black tea. Today, we used the Assam TGFOP, I believe, which we are going to be getting back in stock on our website. So, if you're a fan of that one, just hold tight. We promise we will have it back in stock.
We're working on it. There's
We're
a shortage
working on
of tea right now.
Yeah. So,
Assam is not doing so hot.
hang in there for us. But so we used that and I sweetened it. So I add some sugar cubes to that and I let it sit in the fridge overnight because we want it nice and cold. And then we have chocolate milk, hence the milk.
But doesn't Santa like just regular milk?
Okay, so I will tell you where I took this inspiration from. Do you remember when we went to Disney and we went to Oga's Cantina?
Yes, and then they had
And
that.
it was
That was really good.
It was a black sweet tea mocktail, and one of the main ingredients was chocolate milk in it. And I remember when we tried that, I think I said it on camera in the video. I turned to you and I was like, why has no one
done this yet?
talked about this more? We put milk in tea all the time. Why don't we put chocolate milk in a black tea?
Let's see. I'm curious. I want to know if we can taste the tea.
Yeah, me too.
That's what we're going for.
So we... Oops, sorry, Alana.
Not to have an outside opinion, I feel like the chocolate milk will be stronger than the tea, almost.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
But we used Assam TGFOP, so it's a little bit of a stronger, maltier cup. So if anything, I think it's going to add some maltiness to...
I think the maltiness could be nice with the chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then we have 2 alcohols in this. Okay. We have a vanilla vodka and a chocolate liqueur. It's a Godiva chocolate liqueur.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well,
It's
fancy.
really good. And then you'll see here in a little bit, but we also are going to serve these in a martini glass. And I put marshmallow fluff around the rim and I crushed up some Oreos. So there's the cookie aspect. And then we have some red, green, and white sprinkles as well. So that's going to be our little edible garnish because we love an edible garnish. And then we have these cute little swizzle sticks. And then, of course, we have to have a festive Christmas napkin.
You are such a hostess.
I've thought about it all because I love Christmas.
I would put it in a paper cup and call it a day.
Oh my god.
We're going to put some ice in our shaker here, and we're going to go get our cute little glasses, and we're going to get to making this.
Dashing through the snow.
Oh, you're gonna sing. Okay. I wasn't expecting that.
Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. I'm a star.
Stop.
Stop.
Just that. That's all you get.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Santa's milk.
I'm excited to finally taste the sweet nectar that is Santa's milk.
Amazing.
We're gonna make a double batch. But if you're gonna make this individually, it's 2 ounces of tea for 1 cocktail. We're gonna make a double, like I said. So we're gonna put in 4 of these. And again, this is just a black tea that I sweetened with some sugar cubes. Because when I made this recipe last night and I was testing it out, it needed a little bit of sugar in the tea.
Oh,
It needed a little bit of sweetener.
Even with the chocolate milk?
Yeah, actually. I was kind of surprised.
Okay. So Santa's milk is sweet.
And then if you're making a single batch, it's 1.5 ounces. But because we're making a double, it's 3. And then I have pre-measured out all our liqueurs.
Because we don't want Bianca in charge of the alcohol.
No. We want to actually properly taste this. If you want to top yours off after, that's why I brought me more vodka. So this is our vanilla vodka. It's 1 ounce per
This
each.
is our Godiva chocolate liqueur.
So that was 2 ounces. Again, since we're making a double, everything is doubled here. But if you were to make this for yourself, it's 1 ounce of each. So.
No, because then it'll be hard to take it off.
No, we need to take this off.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay,
Hey.
pause. This before we get copyrighted.
Well, I was shaking over it, so. All right. Anyway, we are
Go
going to
copyright your singing, Bianca.
So copyright my singing. It was AI.
Who's the AI? Okay.
Oh wow.
Hold on.
That looks exquisite. What is the point of these swizzle sticks?
They're just cute.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's called being festive.
There you go.
Look at the rest of it. It's already called Santa's milk. It's got this rim of stuff.
This is Christmas consumerism, Bianca.
Yeah.
Rampant consumerism. Sorry, I'm looking at my mom playing with the dog.
Are you ready? I want to taste this.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, let's get rid of this guy.
Oh my god.
Cheers.
Be very gentle so the. Okay, there we go. So I get the tea at the end. You get it at the end.
Yeah.
Which is kind of nice. It's
I
almost
do
kind of
like
like
it.
you get the initial of the chocolate
Mhm.
milk, and then you get that vanilla vodka
Yeah.
and that Godiva
And then
liqueur,
the
and then
liqueur,
it
and
finishes
then you
with the
end
tea.
with the tea.
Yeah.
Which is like a nice floral note at the
Yeah.
end, actually. Like a multi-floral taste.
Mm-hmm.
That's really interesting. This is so much going on. I love it.
Yeah. So what do you think?
I would make this.
Yeah.
I
And
would
it's
make
so
it.
easy to make.
It was super easy, especially when you prepped everything. So next time when I want to make it, will you prep everything for me?
You got it.
Cool.
Yeah. We'll do.
Well, I think you guys should make this at home. This is definitely a win.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's kind of, you know what it reminds me of? Is kind of like a White Russian, but a little different. Have you ever had one?
Yes. Yeah, like a
Mhm.
chocolate White Russian. So,
Yeah.
Brown
Mhm.
Russian?
Brown Russian. You got it.
Okay.
Like brown sugar and white
Okay.
sugar.
Yeah. I like it.
Brown sugar white.
She's the brown and I'm the white. That's a joke from another video that you haven't seen the footage, but yeah. Are you embarrassed?
Embarrassing me.
It's like a child and a parent. Anyway,
Anyway.
the recipe is going to be linked below, and give it a try and let us know if you like it.
And check out our podcast, guys. We would love for you to listen to what we have to say about
Yes.
tea and all things Chado.
Yeah, by the time this comes out, our Christmas episode will have dropped for our podcast, Brewed Awakening. It'll be episode 2. So give it a check, comment, show us some love, listen to it on Spotify, all the places. We just really want to plug ourselves, don't we?
Thanks, guys.
Bye, guys, and Merry Christmas!
And happy holidays.
Oh, and happy holidays, because we don't want to offend anybody.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. Just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
do you think of that, Junie? This is the dog off camera. This is Junie, full name Juniper.
I want to. Well, you know what I want to do? I want to take some like red lipstick, put it on, and then just give a really
Give it a
big
little
kiss.
like. Mwah.